she put Mohiniyattam on the world stage.
Kalamandalam Vimala Menon, Padma Shri 2026. Like the celestial ocean, where Lord Vishnu rests, art is infinite. Born into an art-loving family, Guru Kalamandalam Vimala Menon grew up in a time when social norms discouraged women from dancing. At age 10, she met Vallathol Narayana Menon, who encouraged her to join Kerala Kalamandalam. Breaking social barriers, she began training at Kerala Kalamandalam and thus began a lifelong love affair with the dance form. Mohiniyattam was her world, but her journey reached further. She trained in Bharatnatyam, learned Kuchipudi, and carried it to Kerala. Soon, Guru Kalamandalam Vimala Menon founded Kerala Natya Academy and led the reform of Mohiniyattam, transforming it from a solo art into a group performance, also introducing male roles. With the strength of her family beside her, the legacy carries on through her daughter and granddaughter.
And at this age of 84 now, she is quite active in undertaking the responsibility of popularizing Mohiniyattam.
When I choreographed the dance on Lord Padmanabha, it brought me great recognition, along with immense happiness and deep sense of contentment.
And the torch was carried forward by over 10,000 disciples.
What we see today as the Mohiniyattam outfit and ornaments was designed by Mother Kalamandalam Vimala Menon.
She infused Kerala's traditional musical instruments into Mohiniyattam. Across 7 decades, her artistry reshaped Mohiniyattam, elevating it to a realm of timeless grace. Kalamandalam Vimala Menon, Padma Shri 2026.